Hi everyone. Let us continue with the autotrophic mode of nutrition in plants. As we all know that green plants are the example of autotrophic mode of nutrition, right? That means green plants are called as autotrophs as they make their own food. And you know by which process, what is the name of the process by which green plant is making its own food? The name of the process is called as photosynthesis, because you had learned this in lower classes, right? Now let us know what is photo. Photo means light and synthesis means to build up. That means you are building something in the presence of what? Light. Let us know more about photosynthesis in detail. Okay. You all know the definition of photosynthesis because you had learned in class 6. So photosynthesis is the process by which green plant is making its own food. So it is the preparation of food, right? And for making food, let me know, because nowadays you are at home, and let us know that where your mom cook in the house, which place is suitable for cooking. What we call it? Yes, we call the kitchen. Okay, and for making food we required what else? Ingredient. So kitchen is required, ingredients are required to make the food. Let us know, like I had make a diagram of a plant. The upper portion, you know that is called as the shoot system. The lower one is called as the root system. Got it? And to your surprise, that out of the entire parts of the plant, leaves are called as the kitchen of the plant. That means whatever is cooking by the plant is in the leaf. It is inside the leaf, right? And that's why leaf is also called as the food factory of the plant. Got it? So what is the kitchen? Leaf is the kitchen of a plant, right? Now let us explore more about what are the ingredients to make the recipe. The first one, let me know what is the color of the leaf. Mainly because we are talking about green plants, so mainly the color of the leaf is green, and all naturally occurring substance that gives a particular color to a plant is called as pigment, right? So what is pigment? Pigment means something which is giving color to the plant. Got it? So the name of the pigment which is giving green color to the leaf, it is called as chlorophyll, right? And this chlorophyll is present in a cell organelle called as chloroplast. It is a special structure, and inside these structures, what is present? The green color is present, and this is called as chlorophyll. And what is the purpose of the chlorophyll? The purpose of the chlorophyll is that it traps or it absorbs all the solar energy, and this energy is used to synthesize the food. Got it? So the first ingredient is chlorophyll. Let us come to know about the second ingredient. Second ingredient is water. Okay, water is required for the recipe of the plant. Got it? And from where it takes the water, it absorbs the water from the roots of the plant. Let me explain you in different way. Like, can you tell me where the water is coming in your house? From where it is coming and through which it is coming? I hope you all are well aware that it is coming through pipes or channels of pipes inside, and then you are taking it from tap. In the same way, plant is also having a networks of pipe which is taking food, which is taking water. And now because we are learning about water, That's why I want to tell you there are the special pipe structure inside the plant, okay, which is taking and which is transporting the water to the leaves. So from the root, water is transported to the leaves by the pipe, and the name of that pipe is called as xylem. Fine. Okay. That means now what we are having inside chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is already present over here, and along with chlorophyll, now water is coming from the root. Okay. Let us come to know what is the third ingredient which is responsible to make the food. Okay, tell me, what is CO2? You know the formula of water is? Right, H2O. Okay. In the same way, the formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. Right. Green plant takes CO2 gas from the air through tiny pores, and these tiny pores are present at the lower surface of the leaf, and these tiny pores are called as stomata. So stomata is present on the surface and below the surface of the leaf, and through stomata, through these tiny gates, CO2 gas is coming inside the leaf. Now what we are having? We are having chlorophyll, we are having water, and we are having CO2 also. Like three of the things in presence of what? Sunlight. That means the fourth ingredient which we want is the sunlight. Green plants synthesize food in the presence of sunlight. As we know that chlorophyll, it traps the solar energy. Then the solar energy is converted into chemical energy, and the whole process is called as what? Photosynthesis. Right. Okay. Now, I think you are more excited to know what is the food of the plant. What is the name of the food? Like you are fond of burger, and now you are taking home food in this isolation. Okay. So what could be the food? Let us know. And for this, I'm writing a reaction. Okay. With all the ingredients. First, I'm writing CO2, carbon dioxide, it is taking it from the air, and water, it is taking from the soil. It is absorbed by the roots of the plant through the pipes called xylem, and then we are having chlorophyll. The purpose of the chlorophyll is to trap what? Sunlight. Okay, and sunlight is then responsible to synthesize the food, and ultimately after combining all these things together, we are getting the food of the plant, and the formula of that is C. See, at the lower part you have to write 6, capital H, at the lower part you have to write 12, and O, and then 6, right? So I'm telling you once again, C6, H12, O6. Got it? And this is called as glucose. Yes, the instant energy. So glucose is the food of the plant which it makes by the process of photosynthesis. Along with this glucose, we also get oxygen, and this oxygen is released out in the air through the tiny pores, okay, which we call, right, stomata, and the whole process is known as photosynthesis. Got it? So what is the food of plant now? The food of the plant is glucose, and this is further stored in the leaves and other parts of the plant in the form of starch. Got it? That means in the stored form, the food of the plant is called as starch, and in the process of photosynthesis, we get the simple form of this food, that is glucose. Got it? Now today I want that you should do one homework, that you have to write down any two importance of photosynthesis in our life. Got it? I hope you will do the homework and enjoy your days and be blessed. Thank you.